Hello. Hello. You should like this video and subscribe, and put on the comments down below. I like this video and subscribed. Anyways,
Come
let's watch
on!
the video. We're gonna go close here, and it's raining. See? Anyway, we're gonna see. We got pizza. We just got pizza. Yay! We got pizza.
We got pizza, man. We got pizza.
We got pizza. Yay!
She has got.
And
She got some pizza.
We got some pizza. You want to show us the road trip? We're gonna go show the road trip. Show us the road trip.
Well, pizza also has a TV.
TV too.
Nothing.
Yep. You see that car?
Oh my gosh.
So I just passed. You can see a bush.
Pizza pasta wing.
And then those things.
Pizza
Whatever. It's that thing. There's that thing. There's a fire hydrant. That's green. That's racist. I thought around green
Pizza pasta wing.
thingy would be better. Anyways, we're gonna go back to the house.
I think we're going home, I guess.
Yeah, sure, we can say that.
We're gonna say right here. So much.
Home sweet
Everybody
home.
listen to me.
Edgemont Avenue.
Then what about 3 Avenue? Because what?
I like Donald Trump's.
Connected device.
And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. I just said that twice. Bye.